Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for anyone looking to make big financial decisions, whether you're planning to buy a house, get a car, or even just secure a good credit card. Yes, you guessed it, we're talking about credit scores. Specifically, we're going to explore what a good credit score range will look like in 2025. So, if you've ever wondered how your credit score impacts your financial future, stick around. You won't want to miss this. Now, before we dive deep, let me ask you this. What do you think constitutes a good credit score? Is it a number that's carved in stone, or does it change over time? Let's find out. First off, let's break down what a credit score actually is. A credit score is a three-digit number that lenders use to assess your creditworthiness, the likelihood that you'll pay back borrowed money. In the United States, credit scores typically range from 300 to 850. As of now, a good credit score is generally considered to be between 700 and 749. But as we look ahead to 2025, experts predict that this range might shift slightly due to several factors, including changes in lending practices, economic conditions, and even advancements in technology. By 2025, we anticipate that a good credit score will still hover around the 700 mark, but the higher end of that range could stretch into the 750s. So, that means if you're aiming for a good score, targeting 720 to 760 might be the sweet spot. Now, let's explore why having a good credit score is so important. For starters, a good credit score can get you better interest rates on loans. Imagine this, you want to buy a home. If you have a credit score of 740 versus a score of 620, you could save thousands of dollars just in interest over the life of your mortgage. According to recent data, individuals with excellent credit scores, those 750 and above, can save anywhere from 0.5% to 2% on their mortgage rates compared to those with lower scores. That's a substantial amount when you're talking about a 30-year loan. Additionally, a good credit score can also benefit you when applying for credit cards. Many credit card companies offer enticing rewards and lower fees to those with good credit. For example, if you have a score above 700, you might qualify for cards that offer cashback, travel rewards, or even zero-interest introductory offers. Now, let's talk about how credit scoring models might adjust leading up to 2025. The two biggest credit scoring models in the United States are FICO and VantageScore, and both are likely to adapt to changing economic landscapes. For instance, there's a growing trend towards evaluating creditworthiness beyond just credit scores. Lenders are starting to consider additional data points, such as your income, employment history, and even your payment habits on non-traditional credit accounts, like utility bills. This means that in the future, folks with less traditional credit histories might find it easier to access credit, even if their scores are lower than the typical good range. By 2025, we might see a broader acceptance of alternative credit data, which could reshape what a good credit score really means. Let's not forget about the impact of financial literacy. As more people become educated about managing their credit, we could see an overall increase in average credit scores. Financial education and resources are becoming more accessible, and that's great news for everyone. So, to summarize, a good credit score in 2025 is expected to remain around the 700 to 750 range, but with some shifts depending on the evolving landscape of lending. A good credit score can save you money on loans, help you secure favorable credit card offers, and might even be influenced by new data points in your financial history. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your credit score journey been like? And as always, remember to stay informed and empowered in your financial decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.